9.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Row 9 Studios, and today we are here for Chloe's Craft Corner. So everybody out there, this is Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. She's here today. We're going to be doing something called Chloe's Craft Corner, and it's going to be a segment that we bring to you every once in a while. Especially for those of you that are out there that are stuck at home right now due to this coronavirus. But we're going to be doing these every once in a while anyway. So today we're here with Chloe, and she's going to do something that's going to be really tough, and that's teach me how to make slime. I'm a pretty crafty person myself, but I don't like stuff on my hands. So this is going to be an interesting thing for Chloe to do. All right, Chloe. So we're going to get started. So what is the very first thing we got to do?
Pour the glue into the bowl.
Into your bowl. Okay, so we got, what kind of glue is this? Aren't we supposed to use this at school? Why are we using it now? I guess we don't have school for a while. So we're going to use our glue. All right, so Chloe says the first thing we got to do is pour the glue in. All right. It's going to be really gross. Chloe, is this going to be like super gross? Is it? Okay. Oh. Ew. Okay, we got to get all of it in there. Okay. This might be a long process. We might have to edit out the pouring stuff so we can get right to it. All right, Chloe. I got most of mine out, I think. What about you? You're good? Okay, so that's just regular glue. Okay. What's next, Chloe?
Oh. Put the food coloring in if you want to color it.
So we can choose any color we want to. Do we have to choose a color, or can it be plain?
It could be plain.
It can be plain, but it's more fun to choose a color, right? Okay. So what do you guys think out there? Chloe, what do you think I should do? Chloe's going to do pink. I think why don't I do a little bit of green and a little bit of blue? Would that be cool?
Teal.
All right, we'll make some teal. Okay. All right, how many squirts?
3.
Just as much as you want. 3? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh, wait. I got to get my blue in there. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I got green and blue in mine, and you got pink in yours. Okay, Chloe. Tell us what to do now.
You mix the food dye into the glue.
Okay. Do you have to like sing a song while you mix it? Okay. All right. Here we go. All right. So mine's looking pretty good. Oh, Chloe's is purple. Show it. Show it. Yes. Okay. That looks awesome. Your mom's going to like that, I think. All right. Mine is looking pretty good. Oh, are we allowed to add more? Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm going to add more because I think it just needs more color. All right. Now, is this, Chloe, is this kind of like, do you know like when we make cookies at the house? While we're making cookies, I sometimes eat the cookie dough. Is this the same thing? No? Okay. I think that might be gross. There are some kids that eat paste though. There are some kids that do that. It's super gross. Let me see what yours looks like, Chloe. Oh my gosh, show that. Show it. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's still gross, but it's a nice color gross at least. Mine's looking pretty good too. Green and purple. Mine's turning more up to be green, which is good. I like it anyway. It's a good color, huh? Okay, so now, right now, all we have is green glue and purple glue. We can just get some stuff to glue together now. And then we're done, right? Okay. All right. Well, so what's next?
If you want to, you can put glitter in it.
Oh my gosh, is this Chloe's special box? Oh my gosh. Glitter is my enemy. I don't know if I want to use glitter. I think there's a lot of people out there who would agree with me, mostly adults, that glitter is the enemy of everything. You know, I don't know. Should I do it? Should I do it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. All right, we're gonna do.
There's gold.
We're gonna do. Is this, what is this, gold or? Oh
That's
gosh.
green.
Okay, we're gonna do green glitter. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay. Okay, now it has officially gotten everywhere. Once it touches you, you can't get rid of it. All right, glitter. Okay, I got some glitter in there. How much is too much? Does it matter? Okay. Okay. So you can't really see the glitter yet. I bet when it becomes more slimy, we'll be able to see the glitter. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, Chloe. Oh, you're still going. You're still glittering. All right, hold on. Let me glitter more then. Ooh, I got another color. I don't even know what that is. Black. Black glitter. Okay. That'll be cool too. All right. Okay, so now we have our glitter in there. So we have glue, food coloring, and glitter. I don't think that quite makes slime yet. Okay. So what is the next step?
Put
And what is this?
baking soda.
Arm & Hammer baking soda. We are not promoting Arm & Hammer. We don't promote brands. Yeah, but it's in here anyway. So Arm & Hammer baking soda, or any baking soda, right? Doesn't have to be Arm & Hammer. Okay. And Chloe, how much do we put in there? Do you have like, do you just do a pinch? What do you do? About that, just a pinch. So a pinch with like multiple fingers. So a multi-pinch. Okay, we're going to do a multi-pinch.
Like two.
Two of those, two multi-pinches. We're inventing new terms here. I like it. Multi-pinch. All right. So after we multi-pinch, then we have to mix that in, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, and it still looks like glue. I guess you're used to that. Okay, so now I think we're getting to the ultra important step. Do we need this anymore?
No.
Okay, we are done with this. We're going to close that up because baking soda can get everywhere. Kind of like flour. You can get everywhere. Okay, so now we get to the ultimate important step. What is this?
Activator.
This is the activator, and this just is any multi-purpose solution. Okay, so this is what Chloe, I've heard her say this many times, and I had no idea what she was talking about. So this is the activator, and this, I think, is what's going to really turn it into our slime. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm going to watch you do it. Everybody pay attention to her because I'm probably going to screw it up. Okay? All right, Chloe. Okay, well, let's move this over there. So here comes the activator. All right. Do you have to make that face while you pull it open? No? Okay. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay.
Put a little bit in at a time.
A little bit at a time. Okay, let's try it. A little bit in at a time. And mix that around. And what should it start to look like?
Clumps.
Clumpy? Okay.
And it's harder to mix.
It's harder to mix, okay. So this is a real process. This like takes time. So what do we do? Just keep mixing it?
Until
What does the activator do, Chloe? Does it make it so it doesn't stick to you, or what's the deal?
kind of, it's weird.
It's weird. Kind of, maybe that helps it not stick to you and the baking soda all combined together. Because I really don't want to put glue on my hands. Okay. What else do we need to do? We just keep adding it until what should it look like when we know that we're super close?
Stretchy.
Oh, like it's. How is that? Is that getting there?
Mm-hmm.
Look at it as I'm mixing it in here. It's like sticking, and then it. Oh. It looks like stretchy green skin.
Oh. Ew.
I know. It's gross. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's getting super close.
You don't want to put too much or it will
Too much
over-activate.
activator is a bad thing?
Because it will over-activate.
Oh.
It won't be stretchy, it will just be hard.
Oh, okay, so we gotta be super careful with how much. So this might take, if you're doing this at home, it might take a little bit of experimenting on your part to get this right. I think Chloe has made about 1 million of these already. And so when she does it, look at my spoon is getting cleaner. It's not sticking to my spoon as much. That's good. I might be doing this right. And let's just be clear with everybody. Do we want to eat this?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Are you sure? Okay. So don't eat this. Okay. Chloe is adding more activator. Mine is active. Doesn't need the Vader anymore. It's active.
You're going to have to touch it.
I have to touch it now? It's ready?
You
Okay.
can pour it out first.
Okay. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Ugh. Okay, so I have to. Ugh. This is super gross.
It's gonna fall off the table.
Do you use these over and over again, or do you just keep them for storage?
Keep them for storage.
Okay.
It's gonna fall
It's
off
creeping?
the table.
What was that movie? Flubber? Oh. Just like Flubber. Oh my gosh.
It looks too sticky.
Ugh.
Gotta try some.
Oh my. Ugh. It's. I don't think I did enough. Look at. What do I have to do? Activate it? Oh, Chloe. What did you do to me? This is my worst nightmare. Okay, do I need to Vader it?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, look at it's now really wanting to stay with it itself. That's cool. Look it cleaned my hand off. Now can I get the other one cleaned off? Yeah, look at it. Chloe. It's starting to work. I see Chloe go, just grab it and go. Oh, like look at you. That you're a professional. Forgot. I'm gonna have to wash my hands 18 times. Ugh. I think I'm activated. Did you just throw some at me?
No?
I think it did. I think we'll have to go to the replay for that. There's a little globule. Look it, I found it. A little globule of purple came flying at me. Chloe's throwing slime now. Oh yeah. It's like pizza dough now. And then you scrape your the inside of it. Actually, what if I use this to do it? Will that work?
Yeah, it does.
Oh my gosh, it gets all of it out. That's amazing. It cleans your whole thing out. I would eat cereal out of this now. It's so clean.
No.
That wouldn't be good?
No.
Okay. Oh my gosh, Chloe, we got it. We did it.
You hated it, didn't you?
I liked making it with you. It's a weird feeling, but... And then you could like, you did like stretch. How did you do that one thing? You show
The swirl?
Yeah, show them how you do like a big... Oh yeah. That was cool.
Oh.
You do that awesome. Do it. Oh my gosh. Bubbles. She can make bubbles out of that. Chloe. Oh, there you go, Chloe. Look. And we have a name for this slime, don't we? Chloe's Monkey Poo Slime. So now you know how to make Chloe's Monkey Poo Slime. And you can add all kinds of stuff to it. We did glitter today, but what else have you added to your slime before?
Floam.
Floam? What's that?
There's pieces on there, on the bottom of that.
Floam. I think he just made that up. But this is really cool, Chloe. Thank you for showing me how to make slime. You can almost see through that. So that's our first Chloe's Craft Corner video. And we want to thank Chloe for helping us with our slime project. Something that you can do at home with really just 3 basic ingredients and the color you want. And then you can add stuff to it and make it your own. So thank you for tuning in. Chloe, let's show them our slime one more time. Let's stretch it out. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in to Row 9 Studios. And we'll be back again very soon with Chloe's Craft Corner with another brand new project. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for our first episode of Chloe's Craft Corner. Remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. You can see the button right down here. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with more of Chloe's Craft Corner.
Row 9.